There's nothing like how it feels when I'm starting a fire. Oh, save me, Lord, I'm burning. When they look at me up and down, I'm devoted, devoted. But the second no one's around, I'm a locomotive and I'm off track. Oh, help me now, I'm swerving. And what can I say? I've got excuses in my life. Well, I've had a bad day, so I chalk it up to the timing. I've got a love-hate relationship with how the crazy business I rail against and all of the rhymes. Hear me talk about all this lip that you're serving, but I bet you're gonna hear me slip and you won't get a word in English. Why? Suck it to you 10 times. And what will I say when I've got excuses in my life? Well, you know I've had a bad day, so I chalk it up to the timing. I got a love-hate relationship with how that crazy business I rail against and all of my rhymes. Oh, and you know, I don't know what I'm gonna say. I got excuses in my life. We never had a bad day, so I can just chalk it up to the timing. I got a love-hate relationship with how that crazy business I rail against and all of my rhymes. You know I heard about this man. He was knocked down and broken, but he's got a solution on hand, and his life is slowing. You know I heard about this man. He was knocked down and broken, but he's got a solution on hand, and his life is slowing. You know